So, how to fix Snapchat text and content not visible? First thing, guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and then go to Snapchat. When you open the Snapchat app now, right here, you will find the app informations page. All what you want to do is click on force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data and click on delete, go back, and next go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. And after that, go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it. As you can see, it's very easy and simple. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.